Today, Smriti Irani has filed a nomination from Amethi and she is joining us. Ma'am, पिछले 1-1.5 महीने से I've been seeing personally that आप लगातार लोगों के बीच में हैं and today you filed your nomination. How do you see the public's response, the people of
How do
Amethi?
you say it? I think I've been very blessed that overwhelmingly, irrespective of how hot it was this morning, and we were right in the middle of the noon heat, people came out in big numbers to give their blessings and their support was expressed. And I'm grateful that also my party leadership, Mr. Nadda, our Prime Minister, Amit Bhai, and the CM UP have given their support to make me the candidate of Amethi. Since NDTV has been around for a few days now, you've seen that just if you look at the last 10 days, I've done around 145 meetings. And BJP has done programs in around 325 places. So the fact that when you organize a program, you go to somebody else's who's a host, somebody else's darwaza, as we say. The fact that 450 different places in Amethi invited us for election campaign is more than a good indication of how robustly our campaign is running, and also an indication of yet again from Amethi, BJP will win and become a part of the Modi family.
So, ma'am, what is the, Smriti ji, what is the margin that you are aiming for this time if we talk about
Let the Congress announce its candidate.
Yeah, coming to that, there has been a delay no doubt about Congress announcing their candidate. बहुत देर हो गई है and आज कहीं ना कहीं बात हो रही थी कि हो सकता है अब आ जाए उनका नाम. Do you think it is a strategy? आपको क्या लगता है ये strategy है?
I wouldn't know what strategy are they envisaging. My only, I think, focus is on my party and especially the kind of work that we've managed to do under the Prime Minister's guidance and with the help of the Modi government in Amethi. I think that the Congress has clearly its role cut out for itself in Amethi. The Congress leadership is aware that this is a losing seat for them. Because if they were so confident of their victory, they would have announced a candidate by now.
बात हो रही है मैम, there are talks going on that either Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi, any of the two किसी का भी नाम हो सकता है. There could be like Rahul Gandhi could also go to Raebareli or Priyanka Gandhi could fight from Raebareli and vice versa. I just want to ask, आप personally किसको चाहती हैं?
Couldn't care less. Whoever comes will be defeated, surely, because both these entities have been absentee politicians from the area. One has been an MP here, missing for 15 years. I've worked for 5 years, of which 2 years was Corona. And especially when you talk about Corona, people wonder why they were never around to help anybody in Amethi and Raebareli for that matter. People today realize that if not for Prime Minister's benevolence in ensuring that every citizen gets free ration, many people would have faced much difficulty. Secondly, they also understand that if not for Prime Minister Modi, nobody would have ensured that free vaccines are made available to every Indian. So given that Narendra Modi's leadership has helped protect many lives, especially here in Amethi, we've not had a single death due to lack of oxygen. That was the amount of effort that was put in. I don't think I would care who's the Congress candidate. My focus is completely on the amount of work that we have done in the past 5 years. That speaks volumes about नेता अगर सही हो, नियत अगर ठीक हो और नीति अगर स्पष्ट और अच्छी हो तो जनता का बहुत काम हो सकता है.
मैम एक चीज़ और, एक बहुत बड़ा कंसर्न इस वक्त है लो वोटर टर्नआउट. बिकॉज हम लोग 2019 के कंपैरिजन में देख रहे हैं कि वोटर टर्नआउट बहुत पिछली बार से काफ़ी कम है. सो आपको क्या लगता है इससे प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स पे क्या असर पड़ेगा और क्या आपको लगता है विल वी सी द सिमिलर ट्रेंड?
वी नो दैट कांग्रेस का वोटर और सपोर्टर वो कम बाहर निकल रहा है, बट लोकतंत्र की भलाई इसी में है कि हम सब नागरिकों के नाते अपने जिम्मेदारी का निर्वहन करें और वोट करें. और इसीलिए प्रधानमंत्री जी भी अपील करते हैं हमेशा कि वोट न सिर्फ हमारा अधिकार है बल्कि हमारी जिम्मेदारी भी. तो मैं तो कहूँगी कि आज आपने देखा तपती धूप में 12 बजे लोग 2-3 किलोमीटर एक रैली में उपस्थित हो गए. तो इसीलिए मेरा भी हर घर में यही आग्रह है कि प्लीज़ कम आउट एंड वोट.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद स्मृति जी हमसे बात करने के लिए. तो स्मृति ईरानी हमसे बात करते हुए आज उन्होंने अपना नामांकन दाखिल कर दिया है और अभी सारी की सारी आंखें निगाहें जो हैं कांग्रेस के कौन प्रत्याशी होंगे यहाँ से उस पर है. कैमरा पर्सन वीरेंद्र कुमार सैनी के साथ.